3號強風信號現正生效，預料本港平均風速每小時41至62公里。喺凌晨2點，颱風泰利集結喺香港西南偏西大約450公里，即喺北緯21.1度、東經110度附近，預料向西北偏西移動，時速大約18公里，橫過雷州半島。同泰利相關嘅外圍雨帶正影響珠江口一帶，並為本港帶嚟強烈陣風。隨住泰利逐漸遠離，本港風力將逐步減弱。天文台會考慮喺短期內發出1號戒備信號，以取代3號強風信號。海面仍有大浪同湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊同停止所有水上活動。喺過去1個鐘頭，昂坪、長洲同橫瀾島分別錄得嘅最高持續風速係每小時75、64同60公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時107、73同72公里。
The strong wind signal, number 3, is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 kilometers per hour are expected. At 2 a.m., Typhoon Ta-Lim was estimated to be about 450 kilometers west-southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 21.1 degrees north, 110 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest at about 18 kilometers per hour across Leizhou Peninsula. The outer rain bands associated with Ta-Lim are affecting the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary, bringing intense gusts to Hong Kong. With Ta-Lim departing gradually, local winds will weaken progressively. The observatory will consider issuing the standby signal number 1 to replace the strong wind signal number 3 shortly. Seas are still rough with swells. Please stay away from the shoreline and do not engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Ngongping, Chungchao, and Waglon Island were 75, 64 and 60 kilometers per hour with maximum gusts exceeding 107, 73 and 72 kilometers per hour respectively.